When we do corrosion maintenance on board, it's important we get a clean, rough surface with sufficient primer to protect the steel. Normally we want 300 microns of dry film thickness of primer for protection. The normal paint that we use have a high volume of thinner that will evaporate when the paint cures. This will result in that we have to apply multiple coats to achieve 300 microns. If we use a thicker paint product with a higher volume of solids, we can apply the 300 microns in fewer coats and thereby save time. Hempadur EM is a product I have often recommended to use on board, both in ballast tanks and on deck. It is originally made for water ballast tank spot treatment, where it's very surface tolerant and can cope with a humidity up to 100%. It's a very efficient paint that can be applied in a thick coating where you can achieve 300 microns in a few coats. When we do normal spot maintenance, we rarely need to mix 20 liters at the time. Hempadur EM comes in small quantities of a combined package of 2.5 liter. What you can do is you can mix the entire 2.5 liter combined in the can, or you can mix half a can. This makes it easier to achieve the correct mixing ratio. Another good property of the Hempadur EM is the overcoating interval. It can actually be applied wet in wet. What you do is you apply the first coat and then you go and wait for an hour, go out again, mix a new batch of paint and apply it wet in wet. That means you can very often achieve 300 microns in 2 coats and finish the entire surface preparation in 1 day. Hempadur EM has a max dry temperature of 120 degrees. We have on our own behalf tested it on steam lines up to 150 degrees, where it actually performs very well. One of the benefits with Hempadur EM is that it comes in small cans where you can mix 2.5 liter directly for use and still have the correct mixing ratio.